Imagine shrinking down, down, down to a size smaller than a grain of salt. You're about to enter the fascinating world inside a human cell, the fundamental unit of life. Like a bustling city, a human cell teems with activity, with each component playing a vital role. Let's embark on a microscopic journey to explore this amazing world. We start our journey at the outer boundary of the cell. The cell membrane is more than just a passive barrier, it's selectively permeable. Imagine a net that allows small fish to pass through while blocking larger ones. The cell membrane acts in a similar way, allowing essential nutrients to enter while keeping harmful substances out. Water, oxygen, and nutrients are always in high demand. Waste products must be continuously expelled. This selective passage of molecules is crucial for maintaining the cell's internal environment. Like a well-run city, the cell needs order. Too much of one thing or not enough of another can spell disaster. The cell membrane is the first line of defense. Now, let's journey to the heart of the cell, the nucleus. This sphere-shaped structure houses the cell's precious DNA, the blueprint of life. Think of a vast library filled with ancient scrolls. DNA contains all the instructions for building and running the cell. It determines your hair color, eye color, and even your height. The nucleus is like the city's central command center. It directs all cellular activities, from growth and development to reproduction. Without the nucleus, the cell would be like a city without a government. Chaos would ensue. Next, we visit the powerhouses of the cell, the mitochondria. Shaped like tiny beans, these organelles are responsible for producing energy. Imagine miniature power plants working tirelessly to keep the city running. They break down nutrients through cellular respiration, generating energy in the form of ATP, the cell's energy currency. Just like a city needs a constant supply of electricity, cells need a constant supply of ATP. Mitochondria are essential for everything from muscle contraction to nerve impulse transmission. They are the tireless workers that keep the cellular city energized. Section 5. The protein factories. Ribosomes. Our next stop is the ribosomes, the protein factories of the cell. These tiny spherical structures are like bustling assembly lines, churning out proteins according to the instructions provided by DNA. Proteins are the workhorses of the cell, carrying out a wide variety of tasks, from transporting molecules to fighting off infections. Imagine a city full of construction workers, each specializing in a different task. Some build houses, others repair roads, and still others maintain the city's infrastructure. Proteins are like the workers of the cell, each with a specific job to do. Section 6. The endoplasmic reticulum, production and packaging. Our journey now takes us to the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, a vast network of interconnected sacs and tubules that extends throughout the cytoplasm. Think of it as the city's highway system, transporting materials to different parts of the cell. The ER comes in two varieties, rough ER and smooth ER. The rough ER, studded with ribosomes, is involved in protein synthesis and folding. It's like a factory floor where proteins are assembled, inspected for quality control, and packaged for delivery. The smooth ER, lacking ribosomes, plays a role in lipid synthesis and detoxification. From the ER, we move on to the Golgi apparatus, another essential organelle in the cell's transportation and processing network. Imagine a giant post office, sorting, packaging, and shipping parcels to their final destinations. The Golgi apparatus receives proteins from the ER, modifies them further, and packages them into vesicles, small membrane-bound sacs. These vesicles act like delivery trucks, transporting proteins and other molecules to different locations within the cell or even outside the cell. The Golgi apparatus ensures that each protein reaches its correct destination, just like a well-organized postal service. Section 8. Lysosomes, cellular recycling centers. Our final stop on this microscopic journey takes us to the lysosomes, the cell's recycling centers. These membrane-bound organelles contain powerful enzymes that break down waste materials and cellular debris. Think of them as the city's garbage disposal and recycling plants, keeping the cellular environment clean and tidy. Lysosomes digest worn-out organelles, engulf bacteria and other unwanted materials. They break down complex molecules into simpler ones, which can then be reused by the cell. By recycling waste materials, lysosomes help to maintain the cell's health and efficiency. Section 9. The Symphony of Life. As our journey comes to an end, we marvel at the intricate complexity of the human cell. Each component, from the cell membrane to the lysosomes, plays a crucial role in this microscopic metropolis. Like a well-coordinated symphony orchestra, all these parts work together harmoniously to keep the cell functioning properly. Understanding the inner workings of the cell is essential for comprehending the complexities of life itself. From the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, all living organisms are made up of cells, these remarkable units of life that continue to amaze and inspire us.